Have you ever experienced a sudden, sharp headache right after a vigorous cough, a sneeze, or even when straining? It is a surprisingly common and often startling sensation that typically passes as quickly as it arrives, leaving you to wonder if it is just a minor, fleeting annoyance, or if it might signify something more significant lurking beneath the surface. While the vast majority of headaches triggered by everyday actions like coughing or straining are completely harmless and temporary, it is crucially important to recognize that a persistent or unusual headache from coughing can sometimes be a vital signal from your body indicating that a more serious underlying medical condition requires immediate professional attention. The primary reason for concern and why medical consultation is advised arises when these headaches are classified as secondary cough headaches. This classification means the headache is not merely a benign response to the cough itself but is actually a symptom of an underlying health problem. These concerning underlying issues might involve structural abnormalities within your brain, such as a Chiari malformation, where brain tissue descends into your spinal canal, or other conditions like brain aneurysms, which are weakened bulges in blood vessels, or even tumors that can tragically increase pressure inside your skull. In contrast, a primary cough headache is generally considered benign, not linked to any other condition, and typically resolves within a few seconds to a few minutes after the cough. The critical distinction lies in identifying whether the cough is the sole cause or merely the trigger unmasking a deeper medical issue. If you experience a cough headache that is newly onset, unusually severe, persistently bothersome, or if it is accompanied by any other concerning neurological symptoms, it is always highly advisable to consult with a healthcare provider without delay. This proactive step is particularly important if you are over the age of 50, as the likelihood and potential risk for discovering a secondary cause for such headaches can unfortunately increase significantly with advancing age. Understanding the fundamental distinction between a primary cough headache and a secondary cough headache is absolutely crucial for your health awareness. A primary cough headache typically manifests as a very brief, sudden, and sharp pain, often described as a jolt or a throb, which rapidly subsides. However, a secondary cough headache frequently presents quite differently. It might last much longer than a few minutes, be considerably more intense, or more importantly, it may occur alongside other neurological symptoms. These additional signs, which healthcare professionals commonly refer to as red flags, include persistent dizziness, noticeable problems with balance, unexplained changes in vision, weakness in any part of your body, or even a sudden loss of consciousness. Such symptoms strongly indicate a critical need for prompt and thorough medical evaluation. Being keenly aware of these distinct characteristics empowers you significantly to make well-informed and timely decisions about your health and well-being. Taking swift action to discuss these specific symptoms with your trusted doctor ensures that any potential underlying conditions can be meticulously identified and properly managed at an early stage. This proactive approach can lead to much-needed clarity and peace of mind, ultimately allowing you to continue living your life more comfortably and breathe easier without the persistent shadow of worry.